In the crushing, eternal night of the abyssal plains, death is merely a profound beginning, transforming giant leviathans into new life. When a colossal whale's journey ends, its immense body drifts silently downward, a tragic, nutrient-rich gift for the deep. But what happens when this mountain of flesh and bone reaches the ocean floor, hundreds of fathoms below human reach? Here, in absolute darkness, an ancient, unimaginable process unfolds, revealing one of Earth's most astonishing biological secrets. Most predators ignore the bones, seeking only the fleeting richness of decaying flesh, leaving the skeleton untouched for ages. Yet something utterly bizarre, unseen by human eyes for millennia, lurks, specifically awaiting these massive skeletal remains.
It is not a shark, nor a giant crab, nor any creature one might typically envision feasting upon a whale. Instead, delicate root-like tendrils emerge from the bone, a verdant, vibrant bloom of life where only decay should be. These are the Osedax, Latin for bone eater, also hauntingly known as deep-sea zombie worms, defying all known biology. Discovered only 2 decades ago, these enigmatic creatures represent a profound paradigm shift in marine ecology understanding. Before their revelation, scientists believed whale bones would simply lie inert, gradually dissolving over thousands of years undisturbed. However, Osedax demonstrate that even the most recalcitrant organic matter fuels an entire, previously unimagined ecosystem.
Imagine a worm without a mouth, without a stomach, yet capable of utterly devouring the densest part of a skeleton. Osedax achieve this feat through an extraordinary symbiotic relationship with specialized bacteria housed within their root-like structures. These bacteria produce acids that dissolve the bone matrix, enabling the worm to absorb the rich fats and collagen. The worms then use these absorbed nutrients, processed by their microbial partners, to sustain their unique, otherworldly existence. From the outside, the female worms resemble small, feathery plumes extending from a gelatinous tube embedded deep within the bone. Below the surface, an intricate network of roots penetrates the bone, analogous to how plants anchor themselves in soil. These roots are not for attachment alone. They are the primary mechanism for nutrient acquisition, a truly alien adaptation. This chemical decomposition challenges our very understanding of extreme life, thriving where all other large scavengers fail. It unveils an entirely new biochemical pathway for nutrient cycling, turning solid bone into sustenance in the abyss. The discovery itself was serendipitous, occurring during an expedition utilizing remotely operated vehicles off Monterey Bay, California. Scientists monitoring a deliberately sunken whale carcass observed these strange pulsating organisms covering the skeleton's surface. What they witnessed defied all previous deep-sea biological observations, prompting immediate questions and profound scientific excitement. The initial footage was astonishing, iridescent plumes wafting gently, extracting life from what should have been inert remains. This moment unveiled a hidden chapter in marine biology, forcing a re-evaluation of deep ocean nutrient flow and biodiversity. Before Osedax, the fate of whale bones was largely unknown, assumed to be a slow, unimportant geological process. Now we understand whale falls are vibrant, temporary oases, supporting complex successional communities for decades or even centuries. The zombie worms are the pioneering colonizers, preparing the bone for subsequent waves of specialized deep-sea fauna. Their presence suggests that such bone-eating specialists have existed for millions of years, perfectly adapted to this unique niche.
Perhaps the most mind-bending aspect of Osedax biology involves their truly bizarre reproductive strategy and sexual dimorphism. While the visible worms are all female, a closer look reveals something truly astonishing hidden within their tubes. Each female harbors numerous microscopic dwarf males living parasitically inside her gelatinous body, never growing beyond larval stage. These tiny males are essentially sacs of sperm, their sole purpose to fertilize the eggs produced by their host female. This extreme sexual dimorphism ensures that every female, upon finding a rare whale fall, can immediately reproduce without seeking a mate. Imagine the challenges of finding another individual in the vast, dark expanse of the deep ocean, then multiply that by millions.
This ingenious adaptation guarantees reproductive success for a species entirely dependent on such incredibly dispersed ephemeral resources. The larvae drift in the currents, searching for the biochemical signature of a whale fall, a perilous journey indeed. Once a female larva settles on bone, she develops into the visible form, ready to host her male consorts. From their initial discovery in California, Osedax species have since been identified in oceans worldwide, from the Arctic to Antarctica. This widespread distribution indicates that they are not merely a localized curiosity, but a fundamental component of global deep-sea ecology. Diverse species of Osedax have adapted to specific whale bones, suggesting a complex evolutionary history intertwined with cetaceans. Some thrive on large whale carcasses. Others specialize in smaller whale bones, indicating niche partitioning even within this group. Their presence on ancient whale fossils, dating back millions of years, confirms their long evolutionary partnership with marine mammals. This ancient lineage suggests that these zombie worms have been transforming ocean floor environments for epoch-spanning geological timescales. Each new whale fall provides a natural laboratory, allowing scientists to observe Osedax colonization and community succession in real time. The sheer resilience of life is often showcased in extreme environments, but Osedax offer a truly unique testament to adaptation. They illustrate how even the most unlikely food sources can become the cornerstone for an entire, thriving, specialized community. The ecological role of Osedax extends far beyond merely consuming bone, profoundly impacting deep-sea nutrient cycling. By breaking down recalcitrant organic matter, they release vital nutrients back into the water column, fueling other organisms. They are critical engineers of the whale fall ecosystem, acting as primary decomposers in a barren, resource-scarce environment. Without them, the rich organic compounds locked within bone would remain inaccessible, a lost treasure for millennia. The presence of Osedax fundamentally alters the chemical landscape around a whale fall, drawing in other scavengers and microbes. Crabs, snails, and various other invertebrates benefit from the altered environment and the secondary decomposition Osedax facilitate. Thus, these unassuming worms are not isolated specialists, but keystone species, supporting a complex web of abyssal life. Understanding this process informs our knowledge of carbon cycling and nutrient flow throughout the entire global ocean system. Thus, these unassuming worms are not isolated specialists, but keystone species, supporting a complex web of abyssal life. Understanding this process informs our knowledge of carbon cycling and nutrient flow throughout the entire global ocean system. The zombie worms reveal how interconnected and interdependent even the most seemingly disparate deep-sea habitats truly are. Despite significant progress, numerous profound mysteries still shroud the deep-sea zombie worms and their enigmatic existence.
How precisely do their larvae locate a new whale fall in the colossal, dark expanse of the deep ocean? Are they attracted by chemical plumes, seismic vibrations, or an unknown sensory mechanism yet to be discovered by science? What triggers the male larvae to develop only into dwarf forms within the female rather than growing into independent worms? We still have much to learn about the intricate genetic mechanisms governing such extreme sexual dimorphism and parasitic reproduction. Are there other bone-eating specialists yet undiscovered, hidden within the vast, unexplored regions of our planet's oceans? The deep sea holds countless secrets, and Osedax serve as a potent reminder of the biological wonders still awaiting revelation. Every new dive, every remotely operated vehicle deployment brings the potential for yet another groundbreaking biological discovery. The zombie worms remind us that life always finds a way, even consuming the very architecture of death itself. These resilient architects of decay, thriving in absolute darkness, challenge our ingrained notions of what life requires. They redefine the boundaries of adaptation, flourishing where resources are scarce and pressures are unimaginably immense. Osedax offer a profound glimpse into life's tenacity, its ability to thrive even on the seemingly impossible and inert. So, the next time you envision the vast, silent ocean floor, remember the zombie worms working tirelessly beneath the waves. They are the unseen alchemists, tirelessly transforming death into life, sustaining ecosystems in the most improbable alien realm. And they stand as a stark, humbling testament to the deep ocean's infinite capacity for wonder, mystery, and ongoing scientific revelation.